and welcome to Learning Finnish with 10. My name is 10. Today let's count to the number. Number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, what is this? Yes, mitä tämä? Joo, tämä on omena. Kuinka monta omena? Joo, 2 omena. Now, let's talk about years. What year I live? You don't know? Let's count together. 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2030. Now, do you know what I said? It means years. It's kuukausi. It's years. You don't know years? So again, in that I play the years and now I speak English for you. Do that. 2021. Now your turn. 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, 2013. Now, it's all time we learn of today. So goodbye, Moika!